Hi guys, and welcome back to another video where today I have something really special to show you. I made something incredible. I made something that you are not going to believe. I made this. I made a diamond play button. Wow! I made a diamond play button. Yes! Look at it. Awesome. I made a diamond play button. What? I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Yes, I made a diamond play button and I took a screenshot of it. Look at it. Would you look at it? I built it. It doesn't have the thing on the back, but it's made of tin foil and cardboard. So the play button in the middle is actually made of cardboard, but in like a triangular shape. So it's like all 3D. Make it 3D. And yeah, it is great size. But yeah, I made a diamond play button. And it fell on the ground. But yes, I made a diamond play button. So I will do some improvements to this. I made this a few weeks ago. Yay! So, I'm going to make some improvements to it. But, yeah. A diamond play button. Crazy. Just crazy. Crazy good. Just crazy good. Yay! 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 Diamond play button. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I made it. Made a diamond play button.
How did you make it?
So the materials you need is some super glue, cardboard, and tin foil. And put it in this recipe right here. So where does the cardboard go? Well, the cardboard is the play button thing, and the base of the diamond play button is actually a container. So yeah, and it's life-sized too. The container was the life-sized, probably made to make a diamond play button, but who knows? I got one now, so yeah. Yeah. Thanks. If you really enjoyed, please be sure to leave a big fat thumbs up. It'll be greatly appreciated. And I really like it. Give the biggest thumbs up you can ever do. Squish. And maybe if you can, just squish a subscribe in there. And yeah.